Alright, what's going on, guys? I was just playing my game, and my cat is sleeping. I think he's got a stuffed up nose or something. I'm gonna wait for him to fall back asleep, so. Just listen to the noise. I think he's got a case of the Weezers. This sounds so funny. I don't know what to do. I'm about to bring him downstairs so I don't have to listen to that when I'm trying to sleep. But he just loves my chair. Yeah, I think he's got a stuffed up nose. Figured I'd just show you guys because it was freaking hilarious. Tell me, what should I do? Should he take him to the vet or something? Because it just sounds like he has a cold. I don't know, whatever.